Okay guys, before we continue with this video, check out the description because there's a link to the model inside of the description. Tomorrow I will drop the video about the whole explanation on this Titan shifter model right here, and I can tell you right away, there are many aspects which we can optimize, of course, such as the transition from human to Titan, so we could add some cool particles to that as well. Also the delay regarding the animation, but make sure to watch the explanation video to to just receive more information about how this has worked out. Also, I'm going to drop more parts of this Titan Shifter series because I'll probably make some tags as well. And well, yeah, with that being said, enjoy watching and leave a like, subscribe, share this video to all of your friends.